Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notification vibration in the Gmail email app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder, then tap on Gmail. Now in the Gmail inbox, what you want to do is tap on the menu key at the top right next to the text search box. From the pop-up menu, go down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on General Settings and then go down and tap on Manage Notifications. In here, you tap on the mail in one of the mailbox available. And then you want to go down and tap on the Vibrate button to turn on or turn off vibration. If you turn on vibration whenever you receive a new incoming email, then your phone will notify you as well as causing a small vibration on your device. This is particularly quite useful if you are setting your notifications to silent. However, you still can I think if you turn off silent, your phone will also not vibrate. But if you choose alert, then vibrate will turn on. Now, even though if you do not set to silent, in sound you still can choose silent. So you can choose as a silent sound, but your phone still can vibrate. So what we can do is turn off the notification sound, but turn on vibration so that if you have your phone in your pocket and if you are receiving a new email message, then your phone will vibrate and you can feel and you know there is a new notifications coming. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.